HVAC gals and guys. So it's about that time of the year where the temperatures are dropping, and I want to give a short tutorial on how to light your pilot if your furnace is approaching 30 years or over 30 years. Stay tuned. So first, you want to make sure that your thermostat is set to off, and you want to lower it to about 70 or 71 degrees. I've already done that. You will take this cover off if you have a furnace that looks equivalent to mine. You will look for your thermocouple. This is where it is on this particular unit. If you cannot find it in this same spot, just know that this is exactly how it looks. If you have your pilot in the off position, you will turn it to the pilot position and you will push it down until you hear the sizzling noise to know that the gas is coming out. Press it down. You guys should hear it in this video, about 30 seconds. Then you will take your lighter. You're still holding the pilot down for about 30 seconds. Then once that 30 seconds is gone, you will let it go. Okay, notice I don't have my hand on it anymore and it's still lit. So now we're gonna turn it to the on position, the on position. Now we have it in the on position. Now let's go back to our thermostat. Now you set the thermostat to heat. Wait for it to call. Bada bing, bada bang. Now 2 minutes minimum, 5 minutes maximum for when that blower will kick in and disperse the hot air inside your home. Blower wheel is on now. Let's check our vent to see if that heat is coming out. And we're good. I hope this helps.